traitors who are now suspects in the OB were Kennedy Kibet and Nicholas Kipchoge. Number 5, Mr. Speaker, on the number of times such attacks has occurred, from the news gathered, such attacks have been persistent, happening in the past, questioning the effectiveness.
Point of order, Senator Cheruiyot.
Mr. Speaker, I didn't intend to interrupt Senator Osotsi, but there's a practice long set in this House that when you're substantiating, you don't seek to long elaborate and lead the House into unnecessary discussions. Substantiation, by practice of Parliament, and those who have been here long enough know this, means that you table the evidence. You don't read a statement. This is a new practice, Mr. Speaker, which perhaps, if we are deviating from the norms of parliamentary practice, can you guide the House, Mr. Speaker? Because I know what substantiation is, and anybody who has been in this House long enough know that once you have been challenged to substantiate, then what Senator Osotsi should be doing is to table that OB that he's referring to. Then you read, it is perused through the House, and we get satisfied, but not reading a statement, Mr. Speaker. Please guide this House.
Senator, yes, Senator Kajwang.
Mr. Speaker, the person with the duty and obligation to be a judge on whether the substantiation is within the standing orders and the rules and procedures of Parliament is a Speaker. The House does not take a vote. The House does not have an opinion. This is one of those decisions where the Speaker has got full authority, full responsibility to determine whether what the Senator is submitting addresses the issues that were challenged. I therefore, Mr. Speaker, want to beg, because what the Majority Leader has said perhaps could have been a practice out of expedience, but not as captured in Standing Order number 105. And so, Mr. Speaker, I beg that you rule out Senator Cheruiyot's objection so that we can allow Senator Osotsi to complete his statement, and it is you, the Speaker, who shall then determine whether it addresses the concerns that were raised.